Very busy ang aking asawa. Doing all the things there. That's his tools and everything. Wow, so amazing. See, he made it too. He painted it. That's the cherry tree. So blue siya dati. Tapos naging cedar color. It's like beige brown or something. Yeah. Oh. Very busy ang asawa. Tapos yung sa lapag na yan, i-scrape namin yan soon. And then we're gonna paint it with different color too. So every day is doing lots of things. Making the house nicer and looks newer. And then hopefully next is the fencing there. Kasi wala na kaming fence. So I have to fence there. Bago also. There you go. Ayun yun. Ang limang fence niya before. So, inalis na kasi they're all rotten. Tapos yung maple leaf na big tree na yan, naalisin niya rin yan kasi doesn't look good. We want fruit trees in our property. So, next year, it will gonna be have lots of fruits and garden and lots of things. A busy day. It is a bit busy in our house because of the roads. Because of the cars, but it's okay, it's manageable. See, there you go. That's our property there. Yung puno na yan, naalisin niya rin yan sa unahan kasi it doesn't look good. Then I'm gonna have fencing here and stuff. So, yeah, okay. See, my husband is doing that. Wow, he finishes all that one. And then he's painting it. And then that's his paint. And then those are his tools for cutting. It's really awesome. Good thing that he knows everything. Daddy is doing good.
Well, come look at the other side. It looks better.
Wow, look at that. See, Daddy's doing that one.